Ooh, there's a storm coming. They are predicting snow. Look at these clouds. It's gorgeous.
Standing underneath the lights, we look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say.
Well, the wintertime sickness has hit our house. I need to get some more elderberry syrup made. I keep saying that and I just need to do it. Hello, babies. What do you want? Where's the other two? But I've got to get some elderberry syrup made. We're gonna head on over to the good old Family Dollar. There you guys are. There's Sarah's boots she's looking for. And get some tissues. Just stepped in something. Luckily, it was not poop. Yeah, go get some tissues for the running of the noses. They are so loud. So loud. Run, baby, run! Just no. Those don't even close to match.
These are close to me.
Those are close to match. Okay, dump them out and make sure there's nothing in them. Okay, you can't have those babies. They are mine. They are not yours. Okay, nothing in that one? Can you imagine if a ball popped out of there? In real life, that would be so scary. That sounds yucky, I'm sorry.
Thanks.
A nose in need deserves puffs indeed. The mountains are rushing, Emma. Mountain rush. Okay.
Mountain rush, mountain rush.
We're gonna leave Mountain Rush home and let's rush home.
Snow is coming. It's actually snowing about 30 minutes south of us. And so we're just out here to clean up a little bit, just a little bit of the things so that it's ready for when snow hits us, which is today apparently.
You gotta shake the reins before you go. Yeah.
Go clean them, guys.
Follow this out.
You guys cleaning?
Whoa. So here's Sam, there's a piece of missy broken ball over here. There's Sam. Finally finished. It's so cold. But here's what we got. The towel is clearly not one of the things that's out here. There's some garbage that just little things.
This getting dark early business is throwing me off my game. I mean, it is now a little after 8 o'clock. It is time for bed. The kids are watching them some Narnia. Aren't we, guys?
Yeah. And I've seen it once before.
And Sarah, what? You've seen it, what?
This many times.
Once before. Awesome. So
And
the plan...
I can't remember.
You can't remember. So the plan was to make some elderberry syrup tonight to help ward off the sickness that we have. I got some of these elderberries. They're freeze-dried elderberries.
And I like the smell of them.
Got some freeze-dried elderberries from...
I like the smell of
like
them.
the smell of them? from the conference, the Homestead of America conference. So I've been told that they are twice as potent as just regular dehydrated berries. I've tried to find that information online anywhere, and I'm not finding any information to sustain that. Can you guys tell me? Anybody know? Are freeze-dried berries worth paying a little bit more for? Are they better than simply dehydrated berries? So if you could leave that in the comments below, let me know. I am going to be using the recipe from Rose at Wholesome Roots to make it in the Instant Pot. So you can, I'll try to link that below if you're interested in making your own elderberry syrup. This will just be step 1 of the process because I'm getting some local honey tomorrow from a local honey guy. So I'm gonna just get the stuff made in the Instant Pot.
And we need more honey.
Help ward off some of this yucky that we've got. Emma is sicker than she's been in a long time. Missy and Sam and Sarah are hanging in there. Jonah's pretty sick. I've been fighting it for the past few weeks.
Honey.
We need some honey. So I'm just trying to boost our immune systems the best we can. We've been doing a lot of echinacea tea and just doing what we can. We didn't end up with any snow today. 30 minutes south of us got a little bit of snow. So I'm sure that it will be coming soon enough, and we'll be crying that we have too much snow soon enough as well. But with plot twist, I am going to go ahead and finish this tomorrow because I'm tired and I need to go edit a video, and I don't want to be up all night making this. And yes, it is very quick, but don't do that, please. You know, it's almost 9 o'clock, so I think I'm gonna call it a night and make our immune boosting awesomeness in the morning. Emma's gonna stay home again tomorrow because ain't nobody want this at their school. No. That's probably where she got it. Oh, so fun. And that's probably because she wasn't taking her elderberry syrup. She's got to play in 4 weeks, so we need to get this woman better. And this one has a play in 4 weeks too. So we need to make sure she stays no sicker than she is. And you know, I'm just doing my own thing with my silver spray up the nostrils because that's awesome. Oh, I hate it. Oh, it burns, but it really, really does help. So I'm trying to keep myself to where I'm not gonna be dying either. And then tomorrow I'll have my local raw honey that I really want to finish off the berries. I still have 1 cup left. So pop it in the comments below if you have any information on freeze-dried berries versus dehydrated berries. I know what they told me at the conference, but I'd like to know if you guys have any suggestions. This mom is ready for kids to go to bed. Thanks for joining us today here on this crazy adventure that we like to call homesteading. Give us that thumbs up, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow.
Gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the